Keep that butt rubber side down.
You alright, ladies and gents, how's it going? I've just got back from Mr. Fish's Boss beginning of season motovlogger meetup. It was blinding, by the way. I've not put that video together yet, so I don't know orders of life and things and all that stuff. But yeah, fantastic meetup. But yes, what am I doing here? Phil 480 gave me a package up at the Boss meet, and it's from OutsideTheWireVet. Now, I've not opened this, I don't know what's in it at all. It looks like there's a letter. Depending on the content of what's in here, this might be a straight through video, nice and easy for me to edit, like those ones. Or I might have to do a little bit of trickery to make it so you can see what I'm showing you and stuff, because I'm not very good at this sort of desktop stuff. But anyway, before I've even opened it, thank you so much, Outside the Wire Vet. Very, very kind of you to think of me to send me something. So I'm going to open this package. What's in the box? Okay, so we've got a letter, so let's have a little look at that, shall we? So what does it say? Phil 480, Hippo-Drones. I just wanted to thank you both for putting out some really great videos. I enjoy the castle trips, chip shop rides and green laner videos. Wanted to send you guys a small token of thanks. I wish you both a long YouTube journey full of fun and adventures. Aloha! And VR initialed. P.S. If you're ever in Virginia area, you'll have a place to stay. Now that, mate, that's blinding. Just that is absolutely awesome. Thank you so much. That's incredibly kind of you and very generous of you. And I'd love to go to America at some point. So you never know. Might even take you up on that. But thank you very, very much. That's very kind of you and very thoughtful. Now then, the goodies. What is it you've sent me? Let's just get all this stuff out. Right, this one here is the first thing. Guardian... Ah! Okay, I think... Oh, I've seen these. Yes, okay, so let's have a look at this, shall we? A 50 cal BMG motorcycle bell. This sounds quite intriguing. I do like guns, not that we're allowed them in the UK. But there we go, we've got it open. Let's just have a little look, ski. Oh my word, 50 caliber, that's blooming massive. That's what she said. Oh wow. Oh, and it's got a little, was that 5.56 or something? I don't know, maybe it's a smaller caliber than that. So it's a 50 cal shell with the actual bullet from another gun, but I'm not sure what caliber the bullet is. But that's very cool. Oh wow, and it's got my name on it. Hippo-Drones. Awesome stuff. And it's a Guardian bell hanger, so I think I'm supposed to put this on my motorcycle, and it will protect me from accidents and stuff like that, and breakdowns, hopefully. That is fantastic, mate. That is really fantastic. I don't know if you can see the writing on there. That's really cool. Really, really thoughtful. Man, I'm really touched. I really, really am touched. And that, along with the letter, that really does mean an awful lot to me. So thank you. Thank you so very much. Thank you very much indeed. I'm quite made up, you know? That's epic. Alright, I'm going to love you and leave you, but Outside the Wire Vet doesn't actually post content. He's a viewer rather than a creator. But wow, he always comments on my videos, and yeah, that's wonderful. Thanks, mate. You're a superstar. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed this wonderful little gift that you've sent me. So thank you very much, mate. Really, really, really appreciate that. Anyways, if you haven't already done so, please click that subscribe button. It'd be great to have you come back for some more. And if you enjoyed this video and the others, give them a little thumbs up. We like that. If you didn't, whatever, give it a little thumbs down. Don't care, that's fine, that's up to you. But whatever you do, please drop in a comment. Let me know what it was that you liked, what it was you didn't. Well, there's nothing to not like on this video. I mean, what a chat, eh? What a decent human being. That's proper awesome. Anyways, whatevs. You ride safe. Take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye-bye for now.
Gotta keep that bar. Rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bar. Rubber side down.